All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're talking about a massive shift in marketing. I mean, everything we thought we knew about getting your brand noticed, it's being completely rewritten by artificial intelligence. This is creating a whole new and kind of complicated world for every business out there. So let's unpack what's really going on.
So let me just ask you this straight up, because it really cuts to the chase. Is your marketing strategy actually built for today? Or is it kind of stuck, 5 years in the past? The answer to that, well, it's a bigger deal than you probably realize.
Because let's be real for a second. Trying to market anything right now feels like navigating a maze blindfolded. People's attention spans, they're down to seconds. And your competition, it's not the business down the street anymore. It's everyone, everywhere, all at once. Just breaking through all that noise has become a monumental challenge.
So to get through that maze, you can't just wing it. You need a real strategic partner. A truly modern agency is a whole team of different experts. You've got brand architects, social media gurus, SEO wizards, the paid ads managers, storytellers, designers, even automation engineers and data analysts. They all have to work together from the same playbook. It's a big, coordinated effort.
And this points to a really crucial shift in focus. Elite marketing isn't about just checking boxes on a to-do list of services. No, it's all about delivering results you can actually see and feel, like building a brand people actually remember, creating a real community that cares, and, driving conversions that actually grow the business.
So what separates the best from the rest? What's the secret sauce? Well, it usually boils down to these 5 core principles. They always think before they act, strategy first. They let hard data guide their decisions, not just hunches. They put storytelling at the heart of their creative. They master the entire customer journey, from hello to here's my money. And finally, they're completely, radically honest about the results. That's the new gold standard.
Okay, but here's the twist. You could be doing all of that perfectly. You could have the world's best team, the sharpest strategy, and it still might not be enough. A new, unexpected challenge has just walked in and completely changed the game.
Why? Because the very foundation of how people find information is going through a seismic shift. I mean, the goalposts haven't just moved, they're on a completely different field now.
And this brings us to the key concept here, AI visibility. This is the new frontier. It's no longer just about ranking on Google. It's about being seen, cited, and recommended by the AI tools that are quickly becoming how we get all our answers. And who are these new gatekeepers? Well, you know the names. We're talking about platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. It's Amazon Alexa in your kitchen and Siri in your phone. It's the AI that's being built right into our search engines and social media feeds. If your brand is invisible to them, you're becoming invisible to your customers, period. This is the million-dollar question, isn't it? If the old rules of SEO and content marketing aren't enough anymore, what is? How on earth do you engineer your brand so that it gets found and trusted by these massive AI models? Well, one answer that's emerging is a totally new strategic approach, and we're seeing it in solutions like VIantra AI. It's a system built from the ground up, specifically to solve this AI visibility problem, by creating a very, very particular type of authoritative content. And this quote right here, it just nails the core idea. It's not about making another blog post or another video. The goal is to create structured, authoritative data in a format that these AI models are literally designed to find, to understand, and ultimately to trust. This comparison makes the difference crystal clear. Traditional content, its main goal is human engagement. This new approach, it's designed for both human engagement and AI trust. Its ability to be indexed by AI isn't just a maybe, it's engineered for it. And the authority signals it sends out aren't indirect, they're direct and automatic. So how does a system like this actually work? Well, it creates content that's just packed with these authority signals, using things like AI-structured storytelling and deep research. Then, by pushing it out across all the big podcast platforms, it generates citations and backlinks, basically spoon-feeding AI models the exact, trusted, verifiable data they're designed to look for. And the feedback really highlights this new reality. Agencies are starting to call this kind of tool a PR weapon for the AI era. I mean, that says it all, right? Your audience now includes artificial intelligence. Here's another key bit of feedback that emphasizes how efficient it is. In such a complex digital world,
Having a more straightforward, systematic way to build that critical authority is seen as a massive, massive advantage. And this last quote just ties it all together perfectly. It's not just one thing. It's the combination of SEO, public relations, and this brand new essential layer of AI visibility, all working together in one system.
So, the most important takeaway is this. The landscape has fundamentally changed. Look, creativity and great storytelling will always matter, but the new ticket to entry, the new prerequisite for success, is becoming a trusted data source that AI platforms can rely on and recommend.
And that leaves us with one final critical thought. As AI becomes the main lens through which your customers find answers and discover brands, you have to ask yourself this. When it goes looking for an expert in your field, is it going to find you?